Following the breakup of Yugoslavia, the republics of Serbia and Montenegro together proclaimed a federation. Following an independence referendum held in May 2006, Montenegro declared its independence in June 2006 and the confederation was dissolved. Montenegro is a very young country whose capital and largest city is called Podgorica. The official language is Montenegrin, however, Albanian, Bosnian, Croatian, and Serbian are widely spoken by the locals. For this specific video, I'm going to be talking about Budva, by the seaside. Budva is a town in Montenegro on the Adriatic Sea. Part of the Budva Riviera, it's known for sandy beaches and nightlife. Stone walls built by the Venetians surround the narrow streets of the medieval old town, Stari Grad. This historic district is home to a seaside citadel and religious sites such as the Church of Santa Maria in Punta, established in the 9th century. I traveled to Montenegro from London's Gatwick Airport and the flight took about 3 hours. I used a low-cost airline called Wizz Air and they have, several flights from many different locations in Europe. Check them out. So once again, welcome to Lou's World. So I am in the seaside of Montenegro, actually in Budva, and I'm taking a boat ride, and here's our captain. Hi there, how are you?
Hi, I'm good. How are you, sir?
Great. What's your name?
My name is Drago.
Drago.
Drago. Yes.
Very good. What kind of name is that? What language is that?
Like a dragon, You just catch the dragon, boat on the dragon on the boat.
All right. And what is your profession?
Actually, I'm in tourism all my life, some private job, but this kind of job for me it's like a hobby, and I can make some small profit, and I enjoy to spend time with tourists and speak with them, enjoy with them, and that's it.
And what type of rides can we take on this boat? What kind of tours do you offer?
So this small boat, we are making tours like island tour like this, St. Nicola, and that's tour it's 1 hour. You can see all island around and a couple beaches, 2 caves, and that's the smallest tour. We have relaxed tour, Sveti Stefan, King Beach, Queen Beach, all this left side of coast, also island included, and we have exclusive tour. It's 3-hour tour. You can see the right side of the beach, the left side, the right side of the coast, the left side of the coast. We have 3 stops. You can swim, you can drink coffee, you can enjoy together, and that's it. Okay, so you are just recapping. You can do a tour for 1 hour, 2 hours, or 3 hours. Yeah, that's right.
And of course, the prices vary depending on the number of people, duration, and things like that.
Actually, in this boat can be 4 or 5 persons, and they can feel comfortable. And the price is like a group price, 30 euro for 1 hour.
Okay.
So 30, 60, and 90 euro exclusive tour.
All right. Well, people, a good thing about Drago is that he speaks very good English, so you won't have any time. He was able to answer any questions we had. We asked him a bunch of different questions, and he's a local, right?
Yes,
so
that's right. I'm
born and
Montenegro.
raised here. So what I will do is I'll put your WhatsApp number at the bottom of the video, and then if people want to contact you if they ever come to Montenegro. And what is the name of the city, the main capital city here? How do you pronounce it? Because it's written Podgorica, but that's not...
Podgorica, that's the main city. Podgorica, and the capital of Montenegro is Cetinje.
Cetinje.
Yes, and Budva is Queen of Montenegro.
The Queen of Montenegro.
Yes, Budva.
And that's actually where we are right now, people. We are in Budva. It is like the Montenegro Riviera, right?
Yeah, it's it's very nice piece of Montenegro.
Great.
Very nice.
And we are on the Adriatic Sea. Is that the Adriatic Sea?
Yeah, that's right.
Okay.
Yeah.
Very
so
well.
now we will stop here to swim a little bit. You can see one small beach, and there is my friend. He's making fresh. He is catching fresh fish in the morning and preparing lunch and dinner for his guests. Of course, maybe we will stop and drink coffee here, swim, and enjoy a little bit.
Oh, he sells drinks there too.
Yeah, sure.
All right, then we could do that.
So we
Very
recommend to our guests to visit Montenegro and Budva, and we are good hosts, right?
Yes, you are. Very good. It's a very peaceful country. I've been very comfortable here. People are very nice, and lots of Americans here, and some English people too. So, you guys are welcome. Drago, thank you very much.
Thank you very much. It's
You
my
take
pleasure
care. Bye.
to help you.
Thanks for watching Lou's World.